Be blessed by the divine. Kundalini chakra flow. Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraha, Anahada, Vishukti, Agna, Sahasrara. These are the 7 chakras in the body, or the energy points or energy chakras related to the Kundalini yoga system in the human body. Usually, our life energy, the Kundalini Shakti, is deposited in the Mooladhara chakra, otherwise the root chakra. The root chakra is posited at the base of the spine. From there, the Kundalini spreads, the life energy spreads to every part of the body, supplying biomagnetic energy to each and every cell, each and every organ, and the entire part of the body, including the brain. As we awaken the Kundalini, usually it flows from Mooladhara to Swadhisthana to Manipuraha to Anahada to Vishukti to Agna to Sahasrara. However, in our simplified Kundalini yoga system, systematized and gifted to us by our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vethathiri Maharishi, the awakening happens directly to Agna Chakra. With the touch of the Divine Master, the Divine Master will touch the base of your spine and awaken with their magnetic energy. Your Kundalini energy gets awakened to Agna Chakra. Usually within a few minutes or few seconds, you will start to feel your Kundalini's pulsation, tingling sensation, vibration in between your eyebrows at the Agna Chakra. After that, they will teach you Shanti meditation, where the flow of the energy goes down to the spine, and this gives you the balance. This gives you the chakra balance of the energy flow throughout the body. And after that, you are given initiation to the Sahasrara chakra, the crown chakra. And from there, the rest of the chakras are also initiated. But when we do 9 chakra meditation, 7 chakras in the body, there are 2 chakras outside of the body, we normally flow from the root chakra, base chakra, the Mooladhara chakra to Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahada, Vishukti, Agna, Sahasrara. So this is also taught in our 9th chakra, 9th center meditation at the highest level of our simplified Kundalini yoga system. Awaken your Kundalini today and enjoy the energy flow of your Kundalini in your chakras, balance your chakras and attain salvation, self-realization and perfection. Good luck. Be blessed by the Divine.